Hi everybody. Today I want to show you this heat lamp that I just got. It's used for therapy for not only your skin, for your muscles and help you relax. It comes in this plain box, but again, we're going to take it out. And here we have a base. Now this base, it has wheels on top of it because the lamp is fairly tall and heavy. We fill it up with water, which I'm going to do right now. So I already filled it up with water and I put the cap back on and I'm going to put the wheels on it. But as you can see right here, it's the lamp. I'm going to show you in a few minutes. This has quite a few things. So let's put the wheels first. Once you install it there, you have this is a telescopic arm. Comes out like that. Let me just loosen it up. And it comes up. So once it is out, you have a little tray that you can put here. And then you have the lamp itself. So right here, you can turn it on, set up the temperature and the time, and you can also do it with the remote control. So you can turn it on, and right there it will tell you that it's set up for 30 minutes, and the temperature is level 6. Let me put it like this so that you can see it. So I can set up the temperature right here. Goes all the way to 10. Right there. And then goes back to 1. 2, and then the time, yes, goes all the way to 60 minutes. Then I can go down, up, doesn't really matter. This is, again, because it is on wheels, it moves and you can bend it to have it at whatever part of your body, whether you're laying down, whether you're sitting. If I want to be sitting watching TV and have this, you know, on whether it's my face or anybody in any part of my body. Again, this is perfect for relaxing the skin, for treating the skin, for relaxing the muscle. It's a hot lamp, it's heat, and so it would help you with any issues that you have regarding either muscle or skin. Whether you want to do it at home, whether you have it on a spa or treatment center, it comes with either one lamp or it comes with 2. So again, very convenient. I can feel the heat, and there's all the medical benefits. I'm going to put them right here so you can see. I guess the little tray right here is you want to put anything in there. But again, other than that, it does have an alarm. So again, if you have it, whether at home or on a spa setting, when the time is out, it will give you a little warning. And very convenient. Very glad that I got it. I do practice a lot of martial arts, and after a good rough session, you know, muscles are tired, and this is great. And my wife already asked me to try it for the skin benefits. So I hope that you guys find it as beneficial, as healthy, and as useful as we hope to do.